Ghana for nim. No more son John Mahama be president to be ma. And you may be sisi Ghana no. Obi antimi ntra Ghana. Pa mo dating to.
You see a fit 2025 we 7th January. And na Akufo-Addo hand it over. And then President John Mahama. So we will be a monitor the airwaves now. Or my reaction dream by that.
In fact, in the history of Ghana, Adia AC 2025 we know. ABC Ghana had that. ABC Ghana had that. Now Ghana France at a question say, His Excellency, any dear ma. Bonne Ben Wayasa, Suent as we go fusa. Ye kwa batum. Nyankoma de Ben Amokoya ya Monko da sientu, o ye newe, ato Ghana say. Ghana for Awusa Mahama question. I have Penyah block media. Mess was any dear. Over like if video, no doubt, my boss subscribe button, stand back, the keep notification, and latest update. Stand back to the wide and their mammy. Ewo comments that she must rush over so I know she video for any be ashe. Eti only in idea dance say. Idea ACC 2025 film in the history of Ghana, a being see that. Say a feba cope a funum query Ghana market ni na she he. Ye be 2025 31st December 2025 January 1st. Cantonment to that ho. Ni week touch my market ehye. Just say Ghana market I can say na ya to mama na she. Ghana market ni na she. Plane crash or Ghana how many pew. ABC that be. ABC that and this remind me of a name you ever got one thing about him. Also bempa. Ebe shem kum all cause say Ghana for your mistake. Em open as abetna kunyan so be mu a enye me be si Ghana ha no piant me ntino ma wi mu.
Ghana for nim. No more son John Mahama be president to be ma. Enye me be sisi Ghana no. Obi antimi ntra Ghana. Mo pa mo dating to.
Senya me kasa enipa ntimi sisa na adwene. Me do no. Se waya Ghana man panida. Ena sebe ye nyina ye Ghana for. Me de anidie e man pa. But President Party won't mean your being. A radical such them or catch them and say, well, we in a Juma. A Tinyadi or my penny John Mahama, bet my president to be. But Sabe Wabo, my Ghana, or no sway the obey to me. I tell you, need your money and then Pabota that she say, apart from so bad president, no, I dare be obey be around it and I don't know to me yet. But so bad Ghana man penny dear intimacy.
You ever got 2024 about two out of nowhere and also bempa. As I can see, Nam Mahama come up penti. Nyamisado man ashen in Sebi.
And nam o penny na koma papenti, o Nyamia Sado o may ashen in Sebi. Be be antimissiano. Amen.
Thank you very much.
Ana 24 about 20 mukronano. A month when you are born pie say about to be free and fair any other no. And this is for your name about 20 man ehu. You go video way.
Okay. Bring me the oil. Your shoe. Stand on it first. Say by this sword, I vow. But if I compromise, and sold my party out, for money, for this coming election, may I die, and my firstborn, also die, in my place, so help me God. Amen. Say, as I help this all, if I compromise, and sell my party out, in an exchange of money, on this coming election, may I die, and my firstborn, die in my place, so help me God. Say, I shall help unto this sword. I make a vow. But if I sell my party out, in an exchange of money,
on anything,
may I die, and my firstborn die, before I get home. So help me God. God bless you. You'll be my friend.
I receive it.
I just saw your position that after the party, I saw your position.
I receive it.
I will tell
Amen.
you. Amen. Say, I shall held on to this all. If I sell my party, the NBC, in an exchange of money, may I die. May my firstborn perish in my place. So help me God. Amen. Very fast. Very fast. Yeah. You go in like this one. Say, as I held on to this soul,
As I held on this soul,
I make a vow
I make a vow
that if I sell my party,
that if I sell my party,
the NBC, and the exchange,
They were swearing oath of blood and sword. They were swearing oath of blood and sword. And we had the national chairman for the NDC, Esidingetia, saying, say, NDC is ready to sacrifice everything for power.
The path will not be smooth, but we will stand up to the challenge. And we are prepared to sacrifice everything. And I mean everything, including lives. I mean everything, including lives.
They are ready to sacrifice everything. Say Ghana no. Omo weni akonya ni wie na eja beto Ghana mu kura na they are ready for that. E dey say obi kwaji sika duro. Na ka kire say wo sika ne beba. O ma me be wo so meje. Say bi na esen gata kan. They are ready to sacrifice everything. And they say we say kan bi hye mu a ngofo beta na konya so no. Enema etoto Ghana no. Ebi nsida, evat, eni enyan. Enema etoto Ghana sisi no. Odwene ho a onti ase odadwene ho enye odukwa adwudwene ma emfa
Amane ni abeba obi tirim ho de ode unsa so me no abeba yi o mo yim firi o sa we de opita na ha aman yi abeba obi o movement eja sa ko bi
yaba afini ye disane down no top
So these are the bodies in the sacks that have been brought down. With assistance from NADMO and military and other emergency services. So these are the charred bodies that have been carried in the sacks here.
Say Ghana day entway ama Ghana for be able say Mahama question say boni be pa no why call Bible na say Proverbs 29:2 or say within be better no man so o man si apene boni be na Mahama is why bibi Ghana so musire Mahama emfa nko na we de ebure so.
You see a fake 2025 we mu 7th January ana na kufado handing over edema President John Mahama. So we will be a monitor the airwaves now o man we asundwe ba mu da ebia oda utimi ade chen ma wo adwuma so ma wo ba nti wo fa ne se no na asundwe ma but onko da no oda asundwe ni o man ni mo there's no peace a single day entwemu abra won te se obi ewu o Ghana first na car ball nipa 20 car ball nipa 15 nipa 16 nipa 8 no plane crash nessa first na ke ten wo western world na yen tibi wo ha o Africa kwa na yen tibi but say car ball nipa 8 nipa 15 nipa 20 no ke say tibi ere o ye man if it ya 50 tia se be say e ndra 6th of August and na me na wo ka say 7th of August nipa wo man ni car accident a ball nipa 10 a ball nipa 8 a ball nipa 13 nipa 16 e ja hye afifiti ase ja hye nipa hye japade e easy omani mundu esu omani e moja hwegu omani politicians yesre mo ba bia mo koya makwa nkyere de be yi mo politics no yesre mo se o wini o se wa wini o fa wa se da ko wai na yaso mo ndwe ba bia ko ba mpaye bia de ko ji tumi a wo de be ye elections no se o wini ye se wa wini yesre wo fa aseda fa ko wai wo wini ya fa aseda ko wa wini so fa aseda ko na omani na so mo nyono because We can't afford to lose such innocent souls. No. How? Is it normal? Is it normal? It's not normal. You know how it is? Nipa wotwe. Eno no danchan asante achem gaso obogu. Youth makuma 16, 15, 16. Ebi kwa sanda hospital. Eno ya anti o. Omane na anti. Yes, yes, uncle for no nipa 16 as a 15 from one community. Ya have mass burial at the amount. Naka president kwe nya ho nkwa, aka vice president nko. Aka vice president akonko. Aka vice president nya ho aka gender minister akonko. Gender minister nya ho aka the regional minister akonko. Obi ansi ho. Na busuafo na ade e de we omho. Ana mo sie eye mabu na omko nya sa aka nkwanhye na nipa 15 as 16 no. We see simple. For that sorry, nipa 8 abe breaking news. All because they are hot government officials. It's almost the moja o mu no. Uhwegu adomara kwamu a eyema. But omo ko wu obogu ho no no. Mabunu na omo so daache ahyekokwa e bia daache ke na president wom a na adwen adwuma ke na doctor wom na adwen adwuma enya benya teacher wom na adwen adwuma. Omo wu kosempo. Ibenya ministers wom omo adwen ede eye adwuma. Ibenya philanthropist e wom a omo adwen ede eye adwuma. But ene no sa youth ni no omo wu ko. Omo wu ye no oman no amfo bia ho. You see simple from one community. At the HN koda sorry a ese helicopter akobofo. Ama emu enipa enwoche ewu. Eno na be breaking news. Ya declare state of emergency. Say Ghana flag emra half down. You be lay reef ewo someone dey reality. Oh the reality. To sani pa 16 ewu obogu ono no. Omo nya wufo. Omo nya obi enwu amo. Omo nya obi enwu amfamo.
Adia sanaka video yi na ka me menye but metina entina oh my Ghana NDC aban shame on you NDC aban shame on you President Mahama shame of you Minister of Health shame on you a whole security personnel a whole Ghana security one a dano no watimi any accident no wu mo etimi am picking the body with dignity amount can I say a form honomo no omo koko boto e na mo je e na mo sesa omo body digu a home minister of security a kwem fa so mutimi define body every accident scene eye plane crash onyane ne akoya mutimi fa so timi di fa ede ni body ene omo maka e fa free forest wono no shame on you Kevin Taylor so wo assembi e de kabedi di atemo a didi wan crofo ndisi fo atem wate didi o matem so wo atembi didi a didi the NDC are more power say di o matem. Are you very shameful to show this to the world? Are you very shameful for the rest of the world to see? Say a whole minister of security got a plane crash. Mwanya bibia mfa no se bottle. Not even a body bag. A country called Ghana, a whole Ghana. Baby, plane crash ni see no. Hospitals na hono ba kokoro no akobenya body bag amamo di akwose body ni biagum a handle with dignity hwe enipa na so body no asefem not even one soldier individual na aso dead body sinoma so adeba na soldiers for ejina hono mo amanfo jina hodo mo phones a video that beto social media. Look, NDC aban, bow your head in shame. I know some of our baby did my time video yase, but anybody baby did my time, shame on you, shame on your whole family, shame on you people. Mudia adie we be actually we are singing na. Actually we are singing na. A whole minister of security enye dibia ketwa no wo nenti wewu a amansan na akogina ho a video scene no e dey beto social media. What a shame, what a shame. Mo amukogina ho amoye personal wo se ka mo take e ma security take effect e wo ho no ma ntimi anye. Shame on you. Ghana people, you people have to change your mindset. Change it. Because you guys are fooling too much. You guys don't know what you're doing. But they mo pay yesikano. They mo pay yesikano. Mum pay the dignity of Ghana. Muchiri. Kevin Taylor. Se wunim na wo jasa asemi 20 me ndi atam se do di amanfo atam no wo jai to na bedidi enipa wo fra atam nyame ntwia wo ka wate nyame ntwia wo ka eniwu efele asefem omo so a omo no omo ni proper even gears a omo de body ne so muti so every postmortem amokwa akwaye no obi DNA dead body no already. It is a one to me ankonya the good right the right part na anko ye DNA who say nipa we ya. How would you know say we? Because they did not even have any protective gears on them. Shame on you people. Mahama Memu, shame on you. Edisa Memu, shame on you. Shame on you Ghanaians. Amu shame Penyah. I was a moshe Ghana so, and my Ghana tumpon. Never put my negus with bottomunti. Moon the right thing. Shame on you. And yeah, Krano. Ghana will not be called development country view. I'm telling you people, because it's a whole security minister. Woo na when you plane crash and would ye film. And you uncle any pebby cannon. Na mwen handled with proper dignity. Senabusian for you be a what's a musu Ghana bang. Because mo gumudishin any massy. Mo gumun in any massy. And ya tongo be or tibola home. And then ya tongo be or swap power a jobim. And ya kwabena what in your tea baby or dog. A minister of Ghana or sign minister of the defense. Wono and na. When you plane crash in the room, na mwetimi di bottle, and assassin a gumukusieno. I see me airtime. Na Ghana a buying every new one case, ya airtime, Ghana buying, and this year buying, Mumba me head in shame. A quay mo goop up penny for any massy. A quay mo goop up or more accident in any massy. A quay my first one, my pick on my free sight war. And you will never ferry. Other people be woo, I'm a mother, a botak was a sawm. I'm a mom one pay to show my mother botak a sawm. Ghana for my felly. When you pa.
And this for bebre na esu. Na bebre na subuafu. Kasa se, SNE MPP for ne bi jubilate. So mon crofo ewuno. Na adentine crofo esu. Sometimes when the enye no ye fa to baby enye ye wo Ghana ha wo hu ana kuadonko wuye e man krofo bi ma me fo panimfo bi mu kwatna live so tu sampe eye dede obi anka ho asem mo support ye nya krofo mo support se krofo no ewo bia ye owo obi a wo kwan obefa so awu etisi obi dia ba na susu jubilate ema wani nye wa wo jubilate no wo kina wo so ebetimi account ya nso yi asani enyankopon ka se enya na ebese awias na me se no na eba no
nyame ya adom na mo na mo soro no atem a me wra nkwo ho mu di aman sika mo nwene ho nyame ya adom na ma be no watem a meme nsun se meme ya me ya sia kai aka parliament o ba ji bujum parliament next target parliament ye nkumo nyame na be kuma ma ye for 16 wu ye panyi bia nsi ye sie funu wana ko ho ni adum na ba ko wu amoma ye na wo de TikTok no man free so am ya ansere ye sele ya o aye fa hamuni masa mu free so ate zunu obi ga te kudu nshio asensu ye di ne jo e kwa ne yakho hwe at this time ne ni ati o nyame be kuma ma ya wate parliament ne ne amoto wa munwane
Chirajo mame ewo comment section aha Penyah Block Media Accra.